Hi, this is Patricia's dad. Today, Patricia will be making slime. Again. There is the red bowl. There is Patricia and her big bottle of glue. She is pouring the glue into the red bowl. Glue is down. And she is running away somewhere else. I don't know where she's going, but she is not in the video. Waiting. Wait, she's back and with a spoon. Now she's gonna add some blue stuff to the red bowl. And she added the blue stuff. Puts it away, and she ran away again. I don't know where she's at. Where is she going? This would have been much easier. She's adding some food coloring, I believe. Yes, it's green, and now she's taking the same spoon I put in my mouth every day and mixing, hopefully that is non-toxic slime. She is mixing her glue with green dye. Now cameraman's going crazy. Mixing again and again and again. How long will this go? We don't know, but she is mixing the glue. Cameraman goes crazy again. She doesn't know. She's putting up in the sky, now pointing back down. More dye. That's great. It's going to be super green. Now we're looking at the bowl. A couple of drops of dye. And more mixing. Good. Mixing. Stir and mix. And we are not done. Now we have some, I don't know what that is, but baking soda. I'm sure she got it off her mom's pantry, and she is gone again. What will she bring this time? We don't know. And she's still gone. She is back, and she continues to mix, and more baking soda. Baking soda. Drops the lid, picks up the lid, covers the baking soda, and continues to mix. What is that now? That is some sort of eye cleaner, contact lens solution. More contact lens solution. And she continues to mix. This is a long video. And we are done. We're back. There is a slime on the table. The slime that we just made. It is pliable, it is gross, and it is there.